Imagine a future where humanity harnesses the power of sound to defy gravity, move massive structures effortlessly, and interact with digital worlds in ways that seem straight out of science fiction. This vision, while futuristic, may not be as far from reality as it appears. By merging ancient Buddhist wisdom with the latest advances in acoustic science, we could be on the brink of a revolution that transforms how we understand and manipulate the physical world. Imagine engineers using sound to construct skyscrapers without cranes, doctors performing surgery with sound waves that levitate and manipulate tissues, or virtual reality systems that allow users to physically interact with holographic objects suspended in mid-air. The possibilities are as vast as they are inspiring, and they all start with understanding the principles that underlie acoustic levitation. We will explore the story of Tibetan monks who allegedly used sound and chanting to levitate massive stones. This tale captures the imagination and challenges the boundaries of our understanding of physics and ancient technology, serving as a gateway to explore the intriguing possibility that ancient cultures possessed advanced knowledge of acoustic levitation and vibrational resonance. And if the monks of Tibet were able to achieve levitation through the power of resonance and vibration, what could modern science accomplish by building upon this ancient knowledge? As we delve into the science behind this phenomenon, we uncover the remarkable potential of sound to shape our future. By revisiting and integrating the ancient practices of Tibetan monks with the cutting-edge research in acoustic levitation, we can bridge the gap between mysticism and technology, creating a new frontier where the seemingly impossible becomes possible. In the 1930s, a Swedish doctor named Dr. Jarl reportedly visited Tibet, where he witnessed a group of monks perform a feat that defied conventional understanding of gravity and physics. According to his account, the monks positioned a large stone in a specific location, formed a semicircle around it, and began chanting while playing drums and trumpets. As the chanting intensified, the stone began to vibrate, quiver, and then astonishingly lifted off the ground, following a smooth, curving trajectory to its destination on a cliffside. This seemingly miraculous event was attributed to the precise combination of sound waves, harmonic resonance, and the monks' spiritual focus. Modern science offers concepts that might explain the phenomenon described by Dr. Jarl, particularly through the principles of acoustic levitation and vibrational resonance. Acoustic levitation is the process of using sound waves to counteract gravity and lift objects into the air. In laboratory settings, scientists have successfully levitated small objects using high-frequency sound waves that create standing waves. These waves generate pressure nodes that can suspend objects in mid-air. In the context of Tibetan levitation, it's conceivable that the monks were creating a highly focused acoustic environment. Their instruments and chanting could have produced sound waves of varying frequencies, which interacted to form a powerful standing wave capable of lifting the stone. Every object has a natural resonant frequency, at which it vibrates most efficiently. By tuning their instruments and voices to match the stone's resonant frequency, the monks could have induced a state of harmonic resonance. This resonance would amplify the vibrations within the stone, potentially reducing its effective mass and making it easier to lift. The combination of acoustic levitation and vibrational resonance could have created the conditions necessary for the stone to levitate and move along a controlled trajectory. The idea that sound and resonance could be used to manipulate large objects is not unique to Tibetan legends. Several ancient cultures have myths, legends, and even physical evidence that suggest a shared knowledge of these principles. The construction of the Egyptian pyramids, particularly the transportation of massive stones from distant quarries, has long puzzled historians and engineers. Some theories propose that the Egyptians might have used sound or vibrational technologies to move these stones. The precise alignment and massive scale of the pyramids hint at the possibility that the Egyptians possessed advanced, perhaps esoteric knowledge of resonance and sound. The construction of Stonehenge and similar megalithic sites around the world raises similar questions. Legends surrounding these sites often speak of stones being sung into place or moved with the help of mysterious forces. While these accounts are often dismissed as folklore, they could reflect a cultural memory of techniques involving sound or vibration now lost to history. In the 20th century, Edward Leedskalnin single-handedly built the Coral Castle, a complex of massive stone structures in Florida. Leedskalnin claimed to have discovered the secrets of the pyramids, though he never disclosed his methods. Some speculate that he might have used acoustic or magnetic principles to manipulate the stones, drawing a modern parallel to the ancient techniques potentially used by Tibetan monks and other ancient cultures. In Tibetan and Indian spiritual traditions, sound is considered a powerful force capable of influencing the material world. Ancient scriptures like the Samaveda describe the use of sound in rituals that could manipulate the environment. Tibetan Buddhist texts also emphasize the transformative power of mantras and chants. These traditions suggest that the knowledge of sound's physical effects was deeply embedded in these cultures, potentially extending to practical applications like levitation. Dr. Yarl's levitation account opens the door to a fascinating exploration of ancient knowledge and its possible intersections with modern science. By considering acoustic levitation and vibrational resonance as plausible explanations, we can bridge the gap between esoteric traditions and contemporary understanding. Historical parallels from the Egyptian pyramids to the Coral Castle suggest that the knowledge of using sound and resonance to manipulate large objects might have been widespread. Though largely forgotten in modern times, this integrated vision not only inspires the imagination, but also encourages a deeper investigation into the mysteries of the past. Could it be that ancient cultures possessed a sophisticated understanding of sound and vibration that we are only beginning to rediscover? As we continue to explore these possibilities, we may find that the boundaries between science, history, and myth are not as clear-cut as they seem. The story of Tibetan levitation then serves as a reminder of the vast, untapped potential of human knowledge waiting to be rediscovered and reimagined in our quest to understand the world around us.